This is going to be a review of the GE DV1 digital HD video camera. And now, opening the box up, we can see the first thing we pop out is the user manual on CD, and this is the full user manual. A few of the little booklets, quick start guides, pamphlets, some registration information, more quick start type guides, little safety information about using it underwater. And here's the user manual. And again, like I said, this isn't the full user manual. It's kind of like a abbreviated version. Now there was packaging on this, but I had already taken it out, so took the plastic packaging wrapping off of it. But this is what it looks like. It's a pocket cam. That's what this category of camcorder is called. Take off the protective peeling here. I happened to buy the velvet red version, so that's what this is. And it's got a tripod mount on the bottom here. On this side we have the mini HDMI port to plug it into your television, and the USB arm that pops out when you flip that switch. And on the other side is the SD card slot. And I have an SD card in there, but it does not come with an SD card, so that's something you do need to purchase. Up to 32 gigabytes are supported. And here we have the microphone and the speaker. I don't know which one is which, but one of the two. The texture is kind of shiny. It looks like it might scratch pretty easily. The other accessories that come in the box, this is the wall charger. And the manual states that it will charge fastest if you plug it into the wall. It comes with an USB extension cable, which is nice. So you don't have to plug it directly in. You can use this cable just to have it resting. And if you charge it, like I said, with the wall, apparently it charges in 4 hours compared to the USB straight into the computer, which is 5 hours to fully charge. And now some detailed pictures for you guys. The front of the box here. Here's the back of the box. The camera does shoot in 1080p, full HD. It is waterproof and shockproof. It says it's waterproof up to 5 meters, and 1.5 meters shockproof. This is the left side of the camera. It has the HDMI. It has a mini HDMI port, which allows you to plug it straight into your TV, and also the USB arm that sticks out there for plugging into your computer. Here we can see the back of the camera has the 2.5-inch LCD screen. The camera is 5.1 megapixel. It has an ISO from 100 to 400, and it's auto. You can't switch it manually. It does take pictures while you are recording video, which is cool. You can just one button to push to take pictures, and it doesn't mess up the video. The video keeps recording in the background, so it's like kind of dual mode. The full HD records at 30 frames per second, and with a 16 gigabyte card in there, it gives me 2 hours and 7 minutes of recording time. The 720p lets you do 60 frames per second. It also supports the 720p at 30 frames per second, 1440 by 1080 at 30 frames per second, and then you can do 640 by 480 at 30 frames per second. This is the SD card slide. Like I said, it doesn't come with an SD card, but it holds up to 32 gigs, or it accepts up to 32 gigs. I purchased 16 gigabyte. I almost forgot to mention it does come with a wrist strap, in case you were wondering. And that about wraps it up for this unboxing and product showcase. Leave me a comment, ask me some questions if you have any questions about it. Let me know if there's anything I missed or should have added. And thanks for watching.